to my channel. So today we are going to observe stocks. Let's start with TradingView website. So it was a positive day indeed. We had gap up also, and IV is also keep on increasing. This actually indicates that premiums are going to be high. And you see here Reliance went sideways while ICICI and HDFC were trending, and the index is positive. Okay, now we'll go to the chart wise analysis. So we'll start with Reliance. So this is basically Reliance, and then I'll move on to 1 hour chart and we'll see what has happened. So this is April month open, basically nice V-shaped recovery. So this is April open, and here completely call writing was been added, and this phase this call writing has done its profit booking, so which was going up, plus call buying was also happening here. Okay, so you see here this was the SL zone which was hunt very well, and then here is the major resistance which is now currently market trading at. So if it gives a breakout, then this SL hunting zone will also be taken out, but we have to wait and watch. Now we'll go to HDFC Bank. Same pattern, same formula as I told you how the SL hunting works. Okay, now we have ICICI Bank and the same thing. See, this was the just profit booking zone which I explained in the Reliance. Okay, so additional news here is I am going to tell you with correlation to Bank Nifty. So let's take HDFC and Bank Nifty. Okay, so basically April month, let me just hide this. Okay, so this is April month for Bank Nifty. Okay, let me just hide these as well. So the small trick which has been used here is, so today we actually had bad news, 22, something bad news going on. So markets where retail people were expecting market will go down, and see here SL zone for Bank Nifty, because this was April month open and also Feb month's SL was still remaining here, so which was quickly hunted here, but still market went up here because already because of the news factor, retail people were in their selling position. Okay, and also the HNI clients would have kept their SL or the major zone 56,000 would have attracted more of the SLs here, because people were expecting market will go down and do its profit booking. So what happened instead is they took up HDFC high, and then that's why markets were able to, the Bank Nifty particularly were able to hunt all the SL of the retail people as well as HNI. So that's the small game here which happened. Also, never do selling at the month's last week, because too much of profit booking and too much of things are going on. Now let's go and check for the OI. So we are going to do the OI of overall as well as the close range. Okay, here we are going to first check for Reliance. So this is the overall range OI. So first off I'm going to take is Reliance. So this is clearly we can see how markets were going down here. So here this part call writing would have been done, this part call buying would have been done, but put writing it was constant. So here put buying would have happened, that's why market was falling, and here still call writing dominates, so has a scope to do profit booking for Reliance. So if it does profit booking, market will go up. Okay, now we have HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank mainly, and then here clearly you could see call writing has done its profit booking because it was having the hedge. Since call buying has done its profit booking, market were going up, but also put writing has happened. So put writing plus call buying is a combination to take market quickly in the up direction. Okay, now we'll take ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank basically, and then you could see here it was inside the range. So basically here call writing, call buying plus put writing and put buying has been managed in a balanced way so that they can maintain the price inside the range or inside the first candle technically. Okay, now let's go to the closer range. So first off, here I'm going to check for Reliance. So this is the closer range, that is 10 strikes up and above the below the close ATM. So this is the close, sorry, little bit mistake, this is the close ATM. So this is 10 plus, so this is the max pain. So max pain currently above max pain, so little bit of profit booking is expected here, and this is the expected range plus or minus 100 points, which is as usual. So at spot it is 1290, and you compare OTM, here it is 27, here it is 37. So scope for profit booking is there, can go sideways, profit booking happens, goes down, profit booking doesn't happen, goes up. So these are the possibilities. So same goes for HDFC Bank. So let's just have a keen view on HDFC Bank. So here you see max pain and range, and then when you check OTM, it is 17 versus 47. So heavily put writing has done. So if it does the profit booking, then definitely market will go down. Okay, now we'll see the last one is ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank, and then you see when you compare OTM, it's 15 and 23, so still has the scope to go down, or it can remain in sideways. Okay, now we'll go to the last factor, that is straddle outcome for this week. So first off, I'm going to check here is Reliance. So this is Reliance here. Reliance open was let's take the individual chart and do the analysis. So I'm taking Reliance. This is basically 1 hour chart. Well, let's take 15 minutes chart. Okay, so this is for Reliance, and then you could see the how price was moving here. So when you check open was 1290. So we'll take 90 and 1300, and both of them ended it. One is profit and one is loss. I'll go to HDFC Bank. So this is basically HDFC Bank. We'll go to HDFC 15 minutes time frame. So when you check open, it's 1930. Okay, so we will take 20 and 40 into consideration. So let's unselect others. So this was also basically one was profit and one was loss. Okay, the last one is ICICI Bank. So only 2 days left, and the DK is looking promising. We'll take ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank open was 1410. So we'll take 1400 and 1410. Both were positive. Because it was sideways, you could see how the DK has ended up in positive. So that's it guys. Thank you. Keep supporting my channel.